Most guys think making a girl chase you requires flexing money, having insane genetics, or playing toxic mind games. So they try too hard and end up pushing her away. But the truth is, real attraction isn't about forced effort. It comes down to subtle daily habits you do without even thinking. Today, I'm revealing 7 habits that make girls quietly chase you without you saying a word. Let's jump in. 1. Wearing crisp, impeccably maintained fits. Streetwear, sharp tailored pieces, or simple classic wear. That aesthetic works wonders. But here is where high-value guys stand out. They don't just throw on clothes, they wear pieces that are clean, ironed, and fresh every single time. It isn't about expensive designer logos, the secret is the condition of what you wear. A simple wrinkle-free outfit instantly elevates your presence. Keep your clothes fresh, steam them, and store them right. An affordable, spotless fit will always outperform an expensive, messy one. 2. Keeping your hands and nails pristine. Most guys focus entirely on their haircut, their gym progress, or their shoes by completely forgetting about their hands. But women notice your hands immediately. Clean, trimmed nails and well-hydrated skin send an understated signal that you take pride in yourself. And that level of self-respect is insanely attractive. It takes almost no effort. Trim your nails once a week, keep them clean, and use a light moisturizer. It takes 3 minutes, but it completely transforms how put together you appear. 3. Walking with deliberate intention. How you move across a room communicates your confidence before you ever speak. Sloppy, rushed walking with your head down makes you invisible. But a man who walks with a steady rhythm, chin level, and total comfort in his skin instantly draws eyes. You don't need to strut or act arrogant. Just slow your pace down slightly, keep your posture upright, and move like you know exactly where you are going. That subtle tweak changes how every single person in the room responds to you. 4. Wearing a signature subtle fragrance. Smelling great is one of the most powerful attraction tools a man can use. Scent is directly linked to emotion and deep memory in the human brain. A guy who smells incredible leaves a lasting impression that stays with her long after he leaves the room. While most guys smell like basic deodorant or nothing at all, a great scent makes you unforgettable. You don't need a high-end luxury cologne either. Just a fresh signature scent applied right after showering. 2 light sprays on your neck and chest, that's all it takes to make it your invisible daily superpower. 5. Giving total undivided presence. This is an absolute game changer in modern dating. When most guys are out, they constantly check notifications, scroll social media, or glance around. When you look a girl in the eyes, put your phone completely away, and truly listen, you become magnetic. True presence is ridiculously rare today, which makes it hyper attractive. When you're with someone, give them your full focus. Eye contact, deep listening, real attention. The guy who is fully present stands out immediately in a world full of distracted men. 6. Staying calm and grounded under pressure. Traffic delays, bad service, or sudden changes in plans can easily trigger average guys. But when a man remains totally composed when things go wrong, women notice. Emotional stability is quietly one of the strongest indicators of high attraction. It proves you control your inner state and can handle stress effortlessly. You don't have to suppress your emotions, just pause before reacting. Stay grounded. 7. Carrying genuine knowledge and depth. This is where real connection happens. Plenty of guys look decent, but the moment a conversation goes past shallow small talk, they run out of things to say. They have no real passions, no unique views, and no curiosity. That gets boring fast. Highly attractive guys have depth. They read, they learn, they build skills, and they speak with authentic passion. When you become an interesting person, people naturally want to be in your orbit. That's it. If you found this useful, subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.